Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro. I hope you are all doing great. Today, we are going to take a detailed look at one of the most exciting budget smartphones of 2026, the Infinix 60 Pro 5G. This phone is creating a lot of hype in the market because it promises flagship-level features at a very affordable price. So in this video, we will cover the complete unboxing experience, design, display, performance, camera, battery life, and overall value of the Infinix 60 Pro 5G. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Infinix 60 Pro 5G comes with a premium-looking glass finish on the back, along with a stylish camera module that gives it a modern flagship feel. The phone feels very comfortable in hand, and even though it has a large display, the weight distribution is balanced, making it easy to use with one hand. The slim body and smooth curves make it look much more expensive than its actual price. Now let's talk about the display, which is one of the biggest highlights of this phone. The Infinix 60 Pro 5G features a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means you get super smooth scrolling, better gaming experience, and very vibrant colors while watching videos or using social media apps. The brightness level is also impressive, so even under direct sunlight, the screen remains clearly visible. Moving on to performance, the Infinix 60 Pro 5G is powered by a high-performance 5G chipset, which delivers smooth and fast performance in daily usage. Whether you are browsing the internet, using multiple apps, or playing heavy games like PUBG, Call of Duty, or Genshin Impact, the phone handles everything without noticeable lag. The combination of a powerful processor and high RAM ensures excellent multitasking. Let's discuss the camera, which is another strong point of the Infinix 60 Pro 5G. The phone comes with a massive 200 megapixels AI primary camera, which captures very sharp and detailed photos. In daylight, the camera performance is excellent with natural colors and good dynamic range. Even in low light conditions, the AI optimization helps in reducing noise and improving clarity. On the front, you get a high-resolution selfie camera that is perfect for social media, video calls, and content creation. The battery life is also very impressive. The Infinix 60 Pro 5G is equipped with a large 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with heavy usage. You can watch videos, play games, use social media, and still have battery left at the end of the day. The phone also supports fast charging, so you can quickly recharge and get back to your work without waiting for hours. In terms of software, the phone runs on the latest version of Android with Infinix's custom UI on top. The interface is smooth, user-friendly, and comes with many useful features like gaming mode, privacy controls, and customization options. You also get regular updates and security patches, which is very important in today's smartphones. Now let's talk about the overall value for money. The Infinix 60 Pro 5G offers features that you usually find in expensive flagship phones, such as an AMOLED 120Hz display, 200 megapixels camera, strong performance, and long battery life. All of this at a budget price makes it one of the best 5G smartphones under budget in 2026. So if you are looking for a phone with great camera, powerful performance, stylish design, and reliable battery, the Infinix 60 Pro 5G is definitely worth considering. It is perfect for students, gamers, content creators, and anyone who wants a premium smartphone experience without spending too much money. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more daily smartphone reviews, unboxings, and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.